We're stationary, suspended in space.
It's crazy. The thrusters are still at full power.
The answer's really very simple. You've come to the end of your piece of elastic.
What are you talking about?
It won't stretch any further. In fact, very soon it'll start to pull you back.
Nothing can do that.
Antimatter can. There's still some aboard, and this proves it.
You mean the ship will be dragged back to Zeta Minor?
Yes, faster and faster. Until, of course, we reach the surface, then we'll stop, with a bang. The only way to prevent it is to find the antimatter. We're not vaporized first.
Vaporized? What do you mean?
Antimatter in collision with matter causes radiation annihilation. A release of energy more powerful than nuclear fission.
There is no antimatter aboard this ship!
And I tell you,